Greetings everyone, let's delve into details about a notable Darwin awards. These awards celebrate people who made silly mistakes, leading to their own funny unexpected exits from life. Ambitious number 1 is tried to steal a train. The award recognized bravery in emergency response during the tragic train accident in 2003. In 2003, a 22-year-old man in Australia attempted to steal a moving train, tragically falling and being struck, resulting in his death. A reckless leap for thrill, he chased destiny's train but fate's cruel wheels spawned tragedy, teaching caution's heavy lesson. Ambition without wisdom can lead to tragic self-inflicting consequences. Explosive number 2 is fishing with a hand grenade. Awarded for highlighting dangers of explosive fishing, promoting safety and environmental conservation awareness. The fisherman faced fatal consequences in 1996, India, when a hand grenade used for fishing exploded, resulting in his death and harming bystanders. A fisherman in India tragically died in 1996 after using a hand grenade for fishing, highlighting the dangers of explosives. Using explosives for fishing is dangerous, illegal, and environmentally harmful. Irresponsible number 3 is jumping without a harness. The incident of the bungee jumping accident without a harness in New Zealand resulted tragically. In 2001, in New Zealand, a thrill seeker attempted bungee jumping without a harness, resulting in his tragic death. Safety protocols are crucial in extreme sports to prevent accidents. The bungee jumper's reckless choice to jump without a harness led to fatal fall, highlighting the importance of safety. Safety protocols and proper equipment are crucial in extreme sports. Unexpected number 4 is lawn mower race. The man was posthumously awarded a Darwin Award for eliminating himself in a lawn mower race accident. The man eliminated himself in lawn mower race accident by losing control and crashing. He was awarded in 2005 in the USA. The lawn mower race accident was a cautionary tale of reckless competition, leading to unforeseen consequences. Even mundane activities can have unforeseen and tragic consequences. Ill-fated number 5 is DIY rocket launch. The self-taught inventor was posthumously awarded the Darwin Award for his fatal DIY rocket launch. In 2017 in California, USA, a self-taught inventor attempted a DIY rocket launch to prove Earth is flat, tragically crashed shortly after takeoff, resulting in his death. The DIY rocket launch was like a misguided quest for truth, ending in tragedy when the homemade rocket crashed. Hubris and ignorance can lead to tragic consequences in pursuit. Avoidable number 6 is suicide by train. The man was posthumously awarded a cautionary award for his tragic and preventable death. In 2009, a man intoxicated with alcohol lay on train tracks believing he could outrun a train. Sadly, he was struck and killed, a tragic reminder to prioritize safety. A man's fatal decision to lay on train tracks while drunk symbolizes the dangers of reckless behavior and alcohol. Alcohol-fueled recklessness leads to tragic consequences, emphasizes importance of caution. Fatal number 7 is how to cut wood. The lumberjack was posthumously awarded the Safety Hero Award for his tragic accident in 2002. The lumberjack was crushed by a fallen tree in Canada in 2002 due to standing in its path. This incident emphasizes the need for safety precautions. The lumberjack's fatal mistake was like a moth flying into a flame, unaware of the danger lurking ahead. Always take proper safety precautions when working with heavy machinery. Careless number 8 is Stunt gone wrong. In 2010, a Florida man suffered severe injuries attempting a dangerous stunt by jumping from a moving car. The stunt went awry when he fell and was struck by the vehicle, underscoring the risks of reckless acts without proper training of safety measures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, please. A stark reminder to prioritize caution and preparation when engaging in risky activities. Risk without preparation leads to danger and serious consequences. Theory number 9 is I Can Fly attempt. In 2008, a UK daredevil tragically died attempting the I Can Fly stunt with homemade wings. Believing he could fly, he jumped off a cliff, highlighting the dangers of risky feats without proper training, equipment, or safety measures. A grim reminder of the fatal consequences of riskless stunts and inadequate preparation. Boldness without wisdom can lead to tragic consequences. Safety first. Alarming number 10 is Selfie gone wrong. The tragic death of tourist in India while taking a selfie served as a warning. A tourist in India died in 2015 while taking a selfie near a train track. Despite warnings, he was struck by a train. Authorities warn a selfie dangerous. A tourist's tragic death by train while taking a selfie in India serves as a cautionary tale against reckless behavior. The pursuit of validation through selfies can lead to tragedy. Thanks for watching. Dear friend, hit like or dislike. Please let me know what you liked or didn't like. I am off to make a new video.